How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So if you want to recover deleted messages on Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with the bottom right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, you need to go with settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with the account center. Under account center, you need to again scroll down, tap on your information and permissions. Under that, you will have download your information. Tap on download and tap on your Facebook. Go with next. Now go with specific types of information because we only want messages. Scroll down and select only messages and then tap on next. And from here you can select download to device or transfer to a destination. I'll go with download to a device and select the date range, notifying email, format, media quality, and after that go with create files, and your files will be ready to download within a few hours. You will also receive a notification. That's it. That's how you can recover your deleted messages on Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.